You just bit it. Hey, we got a guy behind the tree, 12 o'clock. No, my gearbox is froze. Hey, Austin, if you want to bring your guys this way, we got 3 of them over here.
Copy, we're on our way.
You have a mag on you.
It is. That's not a pistol.
Josh, move in!
Taking contact on the north end.
Copy.
It's Bob. It's like Bobby. Yeah.
Anyone hit?
Hey, he's fishing. There he is. He's behind that tree. Right here. Hey, right here. He's hit. He's hit. He's gone. Right here.
Probably not ours. My 12, right behind the tree that has like 3 trees coming out of it. Hit, hit, hit! You did? I need a medic to me!
Hey, Dad.
You medic? I'm coming. Cover me.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm up,
Okay.
I'm up.
Yeah, yeah.
Get low.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you.
Got him! He's down, he's down! Bonzi, up here, up here! Colin, move up! That tree, good tree, go! Bonzi, come on! He's down, he's down! Come on!
Keep moving.
We're going.
Bonzi, move!
Let's go. Right here, watch.
I see it, that's Josh, that's Josh. That's Tyler!
I thought that was Tyler. Oh, my God. Right side.
Ah, hit!
He's right there, too. See him? Who's that?
Hey!
Hey, medic. Come kill my guy.
Keep pushing, keep pushing. Oh, hit.
Medic's down. That's game.
I'm not dead.
Buzzy, just make
Oh, Bossy's not dead. Never mind.
I'm still alive. Protect me.
Just run for it. Make a run for it. They're at the base, Buzzy. Dude, zigzag.
Get the village.
Serpentine pattern. Serpentine, yes. Serpentine pattern.
He's
Serpentine pattern.
He's dead. Game. Game over.
Game over.
Bossy, what'd you do?
I told to run.
You bite Thomas.
I gotta refill my gun.
We're playing zombies. So there's two teams, and one team is like the good guys, one team's the bad guys, and then there's me. I'm the zombie. So I don't die because I'm a zombie, but I have to shoot the other two teams and make them zombies.
One team went that way, another team went that way.
I'm on that one, so I should probably get going. Please, sir, give me a head start. Oh wait, I can't talk to zombies.
Guys.
Thanks. Tyler, you gonna shoot me in the back once I get running? Are you?
Back shooter.
Actually, you know what?
You wanna be a zombie?
Shoot my foot. Ouch! That actually hurt. I didn't think that was gonna hurt.
First zombie, let's go.
Alright. Which team do you want?
Zombies. Zombie! Zombie! Get him! Get him! Get him! Like I just turned on all of them. Dude, I came around. I shot him, and he goes, "I'm not hit." I said, "Zombie." He goes, "Shoot!" Turns around, shoots them all. I'm out of freaking ammo.
Are you really?